Hello everyone, this is Anthony Suwan and I will be giving you a technical show about test-driven development. I believe that test-driven development is the easiest way to program. It's also a lot of fun. And this is a screencast about Java unit testing. How do you write hard to test code? So I have a small example here. It's in MVC design pattern, which initially coded by our teacher, Mr. Dorward Villarus. It has a controller, data access objects, the models, and the view. It has a person model, which has basically a name, and these are the methods. The data access objects has a file reader which gets its data from a text file which contains basically names, and these are the methods for it. Our text file is such this, just like this. Each names were written in each line, and here is our test file which we use in our test. So in our controller, we had this method to search name, which basically uses a regular expression to search for match patterns. And for the view, it simply prints the results of the search, or it's basically the one who communicates with the user. So it's pretty simple, isn't it? So the question is how to get this under a test, under GUnit test. So I have created a GUnit test, and the best thing you can do is to create a new mock object and stub out some behavior. So I created a new search controller test, and what we want to happen is the result of the search name returns into AAA, since our test name.text only contains AAA, and test name.text we uses it as our test file here. So we know that this is an array list. It basically works like this, since it's a fluent interface which like the English language. Alright, to test it we simply run it, and okay, oh, our test is not good, so wait here, it must be AAA. Okay, it's good now. So we might proceed on the data access objects. We have I have created a GUnit test file here, and it is somehow the same implementation. We have test name.text and call populate list function, which simply read the contents of the test name.text and form an equivalent array list for it. So it is basically the same with the search controller test, and run it. It's okay. Okay, it's okay. We don't have errors on it. So we proceed in our model. And we're going to test if our methods are working properly as it is expected. Our default constructor for the person name is an empty string, so we have it here, and we're going to test if it is true. That's why we had this test. So here it is. These are our tests. So we have two tests, the methods getName and setName, and in every methods we have to initialize first the person, or we have to construct the person. So we have this at before, which initialize our test cases. So we have this. So in our getName we are going to test if our default name of the person is an empty string. So here it is. And in our second method, set name, we're going to test if the person name is set into name by this method. And finally run it. Okay, so we have running 2 out of 2, and our tests don't have errors, and that's it. We're all done. So as long as all your tests are passing, that means you didn't break anything. Really nice way to go. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. See you next time.